Okay, I picked up my first Nacelle Star Trek figure. And I'm going to be honest, the only reason I have this is because a local toy store that I frequent got them in. They normally don't get much Star Trek merch in. So I told the owner how happy I was he got these, and he said, oh, they're not selling really well except for the Archer figure. And that doesn't really surprise me because these are kind of minor figures to start out wave one with. Not that it's bad, but I think they're going to be for real hardcore collectors. It's not like, they started with the TOS crew or the TNG crew or the really, really popular figures. Kind of strange for line one, wave one. So instead of Archer, which I kind of wanted, but not that bad, I figured I would pick up Sulu, which would be the other one in this line that I would be interested in. Maybe Wei Yun, but I don't know. I kind of want to save money because I'm really hoping he will stock Wave 2 when it comes in, because that does have some characters that I would like. So anyway, let's unbox him. Oh yeah, these are the other figures. I did think about getting Tuvix just, for the lulz, but money, saving money. Okay, last time I did this standing up with my Exo Chapel, all the accessories fell, so okay, there he is. Pop the top tray off. Of course, there's a little piece of tape there. Why wouldn't there be? And see how easily he comes. Oh, I love this. I love how easy he comes out. So many of these, you gotta pop out, or they've got the twisty ties on it, but he just came right out. And this is really nice. That is a great likeness of George Takei. Let me see. Head articulation. Let's see if he can. Yes, he can. He can exorcist. Shoulder, that's a little tough. It usually is. Elbow, hands, knees, boot. This looks really good. Yeah, I like this. All right, you stand here. Let me see. Can you stand? Can you stand, sir? Captain, sir. Okay, I'm gonna check out your accessories. So, you've got these two hands. He's got a bunch of hands. This one I think is for, oh no it's not. No it's not, because that one is separate. Because I knew he had a teacup. And here's the teacup hand. Nice. Honestly, I think this is what I'm gonna stick with. That's cute. And I think the saucer comes off. Yes, it does. Cool. This hand is probably for a phaser or a communicator, because he's got two different communicators here. Communicators. Oh my god, I'm stupid. Phasers. He does have two communicators, though. I just spoke wrong, because here they are. Do they actually flip? Nope, because I just broke that. Great, that's cool. That's okay. That's why we have the second one. And then he's got two more sets of hands. Oh my gosh, he's got 1, 2, 3, 4, plus the ones he's wearing, 5 hand switches. My goodness. That's a lot of hands. That's a lot of hands. And then we've got this, which I like, where he can wear his uniform open, which is probably also how I'm going to keep him. I just got to pop this out. And pop this in. Yeah, I like that better. Okay, hang on. I'm going to switch the hands out. There he is. That's how I'm going to keep him displayed. I switched out his hands. I switched out his uniform flap, and I like him. Let me see how he stands up to some of my other Trek figures. Okay, so here's my little original series Playmate. I love these guys. They're so fun. I have a lot of those. And this is the 2009 one, and he's on his stand, so he's just a little bit shorter, and without the stand, he's even shorter. That was a stupid thing to say, wasn't it? But yeah, this one looks good. This one looks really good. I don't know where I'm gonna display him because I am running out of shelf space. Plus, I have to share it with my husband and all of his Batman superhero McFarlane stuff. So it's kind of me and him wrestling for space. Me with Star Trek, him with Batman. But I'll find a spot for him. Let's get you guys out of the way, and there he is. He's beautiful. Yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited for Wave 2. I do kind of want the Archer and the Wei-Yun. And was that it? Was there any? Oh, I don't really want Tuvix. I just think it would be funny to have. I'm not going to pay a lot of money for him, though. But yeah, Wave 2, I definitely want that to Paul, and I want the Bem, and maybe Janeway. But there is Captain Sulu, and I am very impressed with the sculpting and the paint on the face. I think it's a really good likeness. He's got good articulation. I like his little props. I like how I love that he's got the teacup. That makes me very happy. So yeah, if you are a collector, yeah, well, you probably already have it if you're a serious Star Trek collector, but you know, I take my time on these things. So if you don't have it yet and you're interested, I think he's worth it. Give it a go.